Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so we have the following reaction. Okay. Oops. Okay, so essentially the first thing that's going to happen, I'll just draw the mechanism for this, which will show us why we get the products that we get. This double bond will swing open and grab this proton, and the HCl bond electrons will remain on chlorine. Let's just move this over. Okay. And so in doing this, we're going to lose this double bond, right? And one of these carbons is going to get hydrogen, and the other side is going to become a carbocation. So it's going to prefer putting the carbocation on this carbon, and I'll show you why. So our hydrogen will go here, and we'll get a carbocation here, because this is a tertiary carbocation. If the proton went here and the carbocation went there, we'd have a secondary carbocation, right? That's the first step, just protonation. But remember, we also generated what will now become Cl minus, right? Because it lost or it gained a lone pair when this bond broke. So this chlorine has 4 lone pairs. Okay, and at this point now we have an electrophilic carbon and a nucleophilic chlorine, right? And you will hopefully realize that this is a planar carbocation, right? Meaning that the chlorine can add to the top side and give us a wedge to chlorine, or it can add to the bottom side and give us a dash to chlorine. Either of these products, well, these products will form an equal proportion, right? Because there's not going to be any preference for one forming over the other. So these are the 2 products you would get, and these are both isomers that you would get.